In this video, we'll explore how certain vitamins can help your body heal from nerve damage. If you're living with nerve problems, you know how uncomfortable and frustrating it can be. It might cause numbness, tingling, weakness, or even trouble moving. Nerve damage often leads to ongoing pain because the damaged nerves struggle to send proper signals through your body. In serious cases, you may find it hard to do everyday tasks like walking or writing. Nerve issues usually happen when the connection between the brain and body is affected. This can be caused by conditions like diabetes or multiple sclerosis, MS, or even from injuries. One key part of your nervous system is called myelin. It's the protective covering around your nerves. When myelin is harmed, the nerves can misfire, sending wrong or incomplete signals, which causes pain and other symptoms. But here's the good news. Certain vitamins have shown promising results in helping the body repair this kind of damage. In this video, we'll look at each one in detail. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing helpful health content to more people. Also, tap the notification bell so you'll know when new videos are posted. Vitamin B12, the nerve shield. Let's begin with number 7 on our list. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. This vitamin is vital for the health and function of nerve cells. One of its main roles is helping your body make myelin, the layer that protects your nerves and helps them carry signals efficiently. Without enough B12, your nerves may struggle to work right, leading to problems like memory loss, poor coordination, or pain from conditions like peripheral neuropathy. This is a type of nerve damage often linked to diabetes, certain medications, or exposure to toxins. Vitamin B12 also helps fight oxidative stress. This happens when harmful molecules called free radicals build up and start damaging your nerve cells. Myelin acts as a shield against this, and vitamin B12 supports the creation and upkeep of that shield. In short, having enough B12 may ease symptoms of nerve damage and support your body's ability to recover, naturally and without relying heavily on medication. Foods that are rich in B12 include beef, salmon, tuna, sardines, mackerel, clams, oysters, milk, eggs, cheese, butter, and fortified nutritional yeast. Vitamin E, natural protection for your nerves. Coming in at number 6 is vitamin E. This powerful vitamin plays a key role in supporting the immune system and protecting nerve tissue. It works as an antioxidant, meaning it helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both common in areas affected by nerve damage. Vitamin E has been shown to protect nerve cells, neurons, from harmful toxins and improve nerve function in people recovering from stroke or dealing with peripheral neuropathy. When nerves can't communicate properly, it may lead to loss of sensation or movement issues. Fortunately, vitamin E can help limit the damage and support repair. It also boosts the body's immune response, helping fight off infections that could make nerve problems worse. Studies suggest that natural antioxidants, like vitamin E, aid in healing the tissues surrounding nerve pathways, which are crucial for movement and coordination. In people with conditions like ALS and MS, vitamin E helps reduce swelling and protect against further nerve damage. It supports quicker recovery by strengthening the body's healing process. You can find vitamin E in foods like sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, avocado, Swiss chard, mustard greens, turnip leaves, broccoli, and red peppers. Alpha-lipoic acid, the cellular healer. Next on our list at number 5 is alpha-lipoic acid, often called ALA. It's a compound made naturally by our bodies and found in foods like spinach and broccoli. ALA is known for its powerful antioxidant benefits, which help defend nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. ALA may reduce inflammation and support nerve repair, especially in people with diabetes-related nerve damage. Research shows it can ease symptoms of neuropathy by improving nerve function and reducing pain. ALA helps the body produce energy more efficiently. It assists in turning glucose into ATP, the main fuel source for our cells. When taken through supplements, ALA can also boost glutathione, a natural detox agent that supports blood circulation and overall wellness. ALA's ability to balance nitric oxide activity may help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of high blood pressure and stroke. It also offers protection against brain cell damage from toxins, which are linked to conditions like depression, anxiety, and Alzheimer's. Studies suggest that ALA helps restore communication between nerve cells after trauma, making it useful for people recovering from serious injuries. It may also help with long-term blood sugar control and reduce pain caused by diabetic nerve damage, such as burning or numbness in the feet. In multiple countries, patients with diabetic neuropathy who take ALA supplements regularly have reported better sensation and nerve response, especially when combined with healthy lifestyle changes like diet and exercise. Foods rich in ALA include raspberries, tomatoes, spinach, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, walnuts, peas, wheat germ, and avocado. Thiamine, a vital support for nerve health. At number 4 on our list is thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. This important nutrient plays a major role in nerve function and protection. Thiamine acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to defend cells from damage caused by high blood sugar, inflammation, and oxidative stress, especially in people with diabetes. Thiamine has been widely used as a supplement to treat nerve pain in diabetics, reduce inflammation in diabetic kidney disease, and even manage eye problems linked to diabetes. Studies have shown its effectiveness in improving nerve-related symptoms. For example, research published in the Neuroscience Journal found that taking thiamine daily for 12 weeks significantly reduced nerve pain and improved nerve signal speed, known as nerve conduction velocity, in patients with diabetic neuropathy. A separate review from the University of Illinois confirmed these findings, linking thiamine supplements to better nerve function and fewer symptoms in those with diabetic nerve damage. One reason thiamine is so effective is because it blocks enzymes that can cause oxidative harm to nerves, harm that's especially common when blood sugar levels are high. Another benefit of thiamine is that it helps fight off compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These harmful substances form when sugar sticks to proteins or fats and builds up in tissues, often contributing to nerve damage in diabetics. By reducing AGEs, thiamine may offer extra protection to the nervous system. Thiamine also plays a role in lowering inflammation in injured nerve tissues. Its strong antioxidant power helps shield cells from damage caused by free radicals during the healing process. This limits oxidative stress and helps speed up recovery. Additionally, thiamine improves blood flow in small blood vessels, including the capillaries that deliver oxygen to vital organs and nerves. Better circulation means injured nerves receive more nutrients and oxygen, which helps flush out waste and speed up cell repair. You can find thiamine in many everyday foods: beef, chicken, and fish like salmon and tuna. It's also found in whole grains like wheat germ and bran flakes, legumes such as lentils, beans, and chickpeas, and in nuts like pistachios and sunflower seeds. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also good sources. Omega-3 fatty acids, natural support for nerve repair. At number 3, we have omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that are known to help repair and protect nerve cells. Research shows that omega-3s support better nerve function and help reduce inflammation, a common issue linked with nerve damage. A study published in the Neurology Journal, 2005, found that omega-3 supplements improved nerve conduction speed and lowered inflammation in people with chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, a condition where nerve coverings are damaged. These fatty acids are key building blocks for your cell membranes, including those of nerve cells. When nerves are injured, omega-3s help them heal faster by rebuilding these membranes and supporting myelin repair. Myelin is the protective layer that insulates your nerves and ensures they send signals properly. Damage to myelin can lead to nerve disorders and communication problems between the brain and body. In 2011, a study in molecular nutrition and food research looked into how omega-3s help repair myelin in the peripheral nervous system. The results showed that omega-3 supplementation sped up myelin healing, leading to better nerve function, something that could be helpful for treating conditions like multiple sclerosis, diabetic neuropathy, and nervous system injuries. Further research in 2017 from clinical rehabilitation focused on patients with traumatic brain injury, TBI, a serious condition that can cause long-term disability. In the study, participants who took 1 gram of omega-3 daily for 10 weeks showed significantly more improvement in brain function than those who took a placebo. This suggests that omega-3s can play a role in brain recovery and support healing after injury. Omega-3 fatty acids don't just help with healing, they also promote lifelong brain and nerve health. That's why they're often recommended, not only for people with injuries or conditions, but also for general neurological support. To get more omega-3s naturally, include foods like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring in your diet. Plant-based options include chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Magnesium sulfate, a mineral that calms and protects nerves. At number 2, we have magnesium sulfate, a natural mineral that plays several important roles in the body, especially when it comes to nerve function. It helps protect nerves from damage caused by harmful molecules, known as reactive oxygen species, ROS, which can lead to oxidative stress. Magnesium sulfate also has calming effects on the nervous system. It may help reduce symptoms of anxiety, ease sleep problems, and even relax overactive nerves. This makes it especially helpful for people who experience nerve-related tension or restlessness. One of its benefits is its ability to reduce muscle spasms. It's often used in cases of epilepsy, seizures, or when there's a magnesium deficiency. By supporting better nerve signaling, it can help the brain and body communicate more smoothly. Magnesium sulfate also improves blood flow in the nervous system. This better circulation allows nerve signals to travel faster and more efficiently. Plus, it acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling in areas where nerves may be injured or overused. Although magnesium sulfate might not directly heal nerve damage, it may ease symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, a type of nerve pain linked to diabetes or chemotherapy. It also plays a role in protecting the nervous system from long-term damage and supports the growth of new nerve cells, a process known as neurogenesis. Additionally, it may help reduce excitotoxicity, which occurs when nerve cells are overstimulated and damaged. This makes it useful in managing nerve pain and maintaining healthy brain function. Magnesium-rich foods include wheat bran, brown rice, buckwheat flour, oatmeal, almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, peanuts, and sunflower seeds. You'll also find magnesium in legumes like lentils and black beans. Curcumin, nature's anti-inflammatory power. And finally, at number 1, we have curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant that helps protect nerves and other tissues from damage caused by free radicals. It's widely known for its anti-inflammatory benefits, as well as its ability to support immune health and brain function. Studies suggest that curcumin can ease inflammation, improve memory, and may even promote healthy aging. It's also linked to better healing after injuries and reduce pain from nerve conditions. Animal studies have shown that curcumin can lower the risk of developing peripheral neuropathy, a condition that causes tingling, weakness, or numbness in the arms and legs. In some human studies, high doses of curcumin taken over time were found to be helpful in managing symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. A study in neurochemical research found that curcumin helped protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, while another study in PLOS1 found that curcumin reduced pain from sciatic nerve injury by blocking inflammation pathways. Curcumin has even been found to aid wound healing. A Tufts University study on animals showed that turmeric extract sped up skin repair and helped rebuild tissue by promoting collagen production. Besides turmeric, you can also find curcumin in foods like ginger, cumin, mustard seeds, black pepper, and chili peppers. So there you have it, 7 powerful nutrients that can support your body in repairing nerve damage. From calming minerals like magnesium to healing compounds like curcumin, each plays a unique role in promoting better nerve function and overall health. Do you know of any other vitamins or nutrients that help with nerve repair? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.